I ain't gotta do no fancy videos because these are real videos. See, I am in a lot of craft groups, and I know they say there's no such thing as a dumb question, but there really is. So I'm going to do a bunch of short videos on crafting with vinyl, and they're going to be short and they're going to be topic wise. So today's very first video, and I'm a mess, today's very sad shooting had me in tears and stuff, so don't mind me, but I just think this is important to do. So I see all the time, what's the difference between 651 vinyl and HTV? Can you use 651 vinyl on clothes? No. How do you know it's 651 vinyl? Well, it's very simple. All 651 vinyl says 651 vinyl on the back. Do you see that? 651 vinyl. This is not for clothes. This is meant for clean, hard surfaces. It has a paper backing. You cut it on this side. Got it? I'll go into on a different video on how to use this more in depth next week. Or maybe in a few days when I have time. This is a roll of Sister t-shirt vinyl. Glossy on one side. This side you'll put down to cut. This is the actual vinyl side. You cut. Mirror that shit. Uncensored, guys. Uncensored. And then you press. We'll go into that in a different video. So, remember. Doesn't go on t-shirts. Does go on t-shirts. And if you're ever in doubt, you can always do this great thing. Because when you buy this vinyl, it comes in a nice fancy roll, right? And on that roll, inside, when you take out the silicone thing, it has directions. You could always read directions just in case you're confused. So, if you have any more questions or have any topics you would like me to honestly discuss, no sugarcoating, I'm going to tell you how it is. Drop it in the comments. Bye.